2005 to 2010 Jeep Grand Cherokee. We're going to do the upper ball joint and control arm all as one unit. It's easier. You can replace this ball joint individually, but it's easier for the whole thing, and it's very expensive these days from online parts. This is an 18mm. In here are 15. It's behind the battery. I'll put my finger down there. The other one is by the under the brake master cylinder tank, behind the fuse box down there. 18mm, and we pull this tight here in between, and you'll be able to get it. I have something holding from below, the wrench down to the ball, and we're going to work. It's easier on this side. If you have something like this wrench, like a ratchet at the same time, that will be best. Put a hold, take a hold of it, and start wrenching it out. Next, we're going to remove the 18mm bolt. Removing the bolt, it's a long one. Now, one of them on either side will come out easy and between the spring. However, the other one bolt will give us a hard time because of the spring. So to release it from here, give it a good bang with a good hammer right in here, and it should be released. To be able to disconnect the control arm from the wheel. Then I will try to get out the bolt. You can try the hammer banging here, or you can have a puller, something like that, whatever you prefer. You can put a little on it, and then you can try to bang right there. I believe the joint is out. There we go. Ball joint. As can you see now, the control arm is disconnected from the ball joint, and one of the bolts here came out, but the other one's on the way because the spring is. And brought the car down after disconnecting the ball joint, and you can see I was able to move and navigate the bolt in between. The bolt is out and the control arm is out. So some people like to remove the ball joint, and that's fine. It's much easier to drop the whole thing and try to remove a ball joint. We're going to put it in. Installing the new control arm and ball joint upper for Grand Cherokee. It's the left side, the driver's side, and try to navigate again through it. Install the other bolt and nut, and then we can put the ball joint bolt on it, a nut, and torque it. Put the ball joint in now. Use an 8mm. That's what the lower part of the ball joint is. And use the 19mm or 18mm to torque. Okay, Jeep Grand Cherokee upper control arm and ball joint, and control arm is complete. I hope my video helps you out and support the channel. Good luck.